Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics, Standard 6. Topic Triangles and their properties. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 15 Triangles and their properties. In this video we will learn what is a triangle, types of triangles based on sides, types of triangles based on angles, properties of triangles, and practice set 36. What is a triangle? A closed plane figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments is called a triangle. In the figure alongside, triangle ABC has three sides, seg AB, seg BC, and seg CA. Points A, B, and C are called the vertices of triangle ABC. Angle ABC, angle ACB, and angle BAC are the angles of the triangle ABC. The sides, vertices, and angles are called the parts of a triangle. Now we will see types of triangles based on sides. Here you can see three figures. First we will see the first figure, triangle ABC. Segment AB has the length 2.5 cm, seg BC 2.5 cm, and seg AC is also 2.5 cm. So this is an equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. In the above figure, length AB is equal to 2.5 cm, length BC is equal to 2.5 cm, and length AC is also 2.5 cm. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now, in the second figure, we can see that length PQ is 3.7 centimeters, length PR is also 3.7 centimeters, but length QR is 2.7 centimeters. So, what this triangle is called? So, this triangle is called isosceles triangle. A triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. In the above figure, length QR is 2.7 centimeter, length PQ is 3.7 centimeter, and length PR is also 3.7 centimeters. Therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now the next figure, length XY is 2.8 centimeter, length YZ is 2.5 centimeter, and length XZ is 4.3 centimeters. Here no side is equal. So what this triangle is called? This triangle is called scalene triangle. A triangle with no two sides equal is called a scalene triangle. In the above figure, length XY is 2.8 centimeters, length YZ is 2.5 centimeters, and length XZ is 4.3 centimeters. Therefore, triangle XYZ is a scalene triangle. Types of triangles based on angles. First is acute angle triangle. A triangle with all three angles acute is called acute angle triangle. In the above figure, you can see measure angle D is 50 degree, measure angle E is 72 degree, and measure angle F is 58 degree. Therefore, all the three angles are acute. So, triangle DEF is an acute angled triangle. Now, second is right angle triangle. A triangle with one right angle is called a right angle triangle. Here in the above figure you can see measure angle P is 40 degree, measure angle Q is 90 degree, and measure angle R is 50 degree. Now here measure angle Q is 90 degree. One angle is a right angle. Therefore triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Next is obtuse angle triangle. A triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. In the above figure you can see measure angle L is 28 degree, measure angle M is 112 degree, and measure angle N is 40 degree. Here measure angle M is 112 degree, that is one obtuse angle. Therefore triangle LMN is an obtuse angled triangle. Now we will see properties of a triangle. There are two properties. First property is the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And the second property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Now we'll see practice set 36. Question 1. Observe the figures given below and write the type of the triangle based on its angles. Now here, the first triangle is triangle PQR. In that triangle, one angle is a right angle. So, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Now in second, triangle XYZ, one angle is 125 degree. That is, one angle is obtuse angle. So, triangle XYZ is an obtuse angle triangle. In the third figure, triangle LMN, all angles are acute angle. Therefore, triangle LMN is an acute angled triangle. Question 2. Observe the figures given below and write the type of the triangles based on its sides. Now, the first figure we can see triangle ABC. All three sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. In the second figure, triangle DEF, all the sides are different. So, triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. In the third figure, triangle UVW, two sides are equal. So, triangle UVW is an isosceles triangle. Question 3. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? And explain why. Now the solution is road AC is shorter because by the property, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Therefore, if we add AB and BC is always greater than AC. That is, AC is less than AB plus BC. Question 4. The lengths of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what types of triangles they are. First is 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Now here you can see no sides have equal length. So the given triangle is a scalene triangle. Second, 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 5 centimeters. Now here you can see two sides have equal lengths. So when two sides are equal, that triangle is called as isosceles triangle. Third, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. Here all the three sides of a triangle are equal. So the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. Fourth, 3.7, 3.4 and 4 centimeters. No two sides have equal lengths, so the given triangle is a scalene triangle. Question 5. The lengths of three segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn or not. Give the reason for your answer. Now the first is 17 centimeters, 7 centimeters and 8 centimeters. First of all, we will write the longest side. So the length of the longest side is 17 centimeter. Now the sum of the lengths of other two sides is equal to 7 plus 8, that is 15 centimeter. Now here 17 centimeter is greater than 15 centimeter. So by the property, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Here the sum is not greater. So you cannot draw the triangle. Second, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Solution. The length of the longest side is 25 centimeter. The sum of the length of other two sides as 7 is plus 24 is equals to 31 centimeter. 31 centimeter is greater than 25 centimeters. So by the property, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So the triangle can be drawn. Question 3. 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 16 centimeter. First we will write the longest side, that is 16 centimeter. Then addition of two sides. So 9 plus 6 we will get 15. Here the sum of other two sides is smaller than the longest side. Therefore the triangle cannot be drawn. Next, 8.4, 16.4 and 4.9. First you have to recognize the longest side, that is 16.4. So the length of longest side is 16.4 centimeters. Then you will add other two sides, that is 8.4 plus 4.9, you will get 13.3. Now 13.3, the sum of other two sides is smaller than the longest side. So you cannot draw the triangle. 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 25 centimeters. Now here the longest side is 25 centimeter and addition of other two sides, that is 15 plus 20, we will get 35. Now the sum is greater than the longest side, so the triangle can be drawn. Next, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 16 centimeters. The longest side is 16 centimeter and addition of other two sides is 24 centimeters. So the sum is greater than the longest sides. That's why the triangle can be drawn. Thank you.